Rolling in Ford tough, creeping through them deep ruts. Music crank full speed, moonshine, fresh tree. Look, the king standing on the roof of that SUV. Trail ride, slip and slide in my side-by-side, ripping like a razor through a row of Tennessee pines. Hanging by the lake, the bonfire bound to make all them country gals go crazy. Kick mud, 35 sitting high, my truck will kick mud. Crawling through them slop pits, my grips kick mud. Country living, shine sipping, we all kick mud. If you don't like the way we live it, guess what? Kick mud, 35 sitting high, my truck will kick mud. Crawling through them slop pits, my grips kick mud. Country living, shine sipping, we all kick mud. If you don't like the way we live it, kick mud. All my little mud nuggets getting bucket the ball. Tell them city boys to kick mud off of the farm. Raising cane in a lane, 3 foot of slop. In a machine that don't listen when you tell it to stop. True mud camo and some dirty jeans, feet mud smothered, yeah, I put that on everything. Cottonmouth boots, farm all hat. Now tell me that you ever seen country like that. Kick mud, 35 sitting high, my truck will kick mud. Crawling through them slop pits, my grips kick mud. Country living, shine sipping, we all kick mud. If you don't like the way we live it, guess what? Kick mud, 35 sitting high, my truck will kick mud. Crawling through them slop pits, my grips kick mud. Country living, shine sipping, we all kick mud. If you don't like the way we living, then you can kick mud. It's Big John on the block. I fill up your life savings off an acre of crop. You all talking, I walk every line that I spit. Keeping country for my kinfolk, repping the sticks. Backwoods living, produce flipping, purebred American, southern and simple. We're born to ride, living to die. Nothing standing in our way when we're sitting this high. Kick mud, 35 sitting high, my truck will kick mud. Crawling through them slop pits, my grips kick mud. Country living, shine sipping, we all kick mud. If you don't like the way we live it, guess what? Kick mud, 35 sitting high, my truck will kick mud. Crawling through them slop pits, my grips kick mud. Country living, shine sipping, we all kick mud. If you don't like the way we living, then you can kick mud.